Welcome back. I'm just in a very wooded area right now. It's foresty, the wind is able to move freely. This is a very honest environment. I've known this place since 18. I've come down and back, forth from here. But this is just a very homey environment to become. Look, I'll turn the flashlight off so. It's just very homey. This is what a forest is. Trying to draw energy. It's been so still lately. It's hard to draw energy, but it's easy to use it for healing. A lot of people who master in Reiki do a lot of healing. A lot of shamans do too, as we see on this page. Today I was even just drawing to heal. I had some physical stuff going on the inside, so I was able to get that leveled out a little bit. Oh, that one's dead. Oh yeah, these branches are entirely dead. Yeah. Yeah, this is just a very homey environment. May not sound like it though. Yeah, it's just this place. It draws you in. And this is where Cernunnos lies deep within. All the energy that comes around comes from the sun, gets drawn over here. Just for whatever reason it does. Like, I can easily get ashes out here. And someone has been taking care of this place for some time, because this stuff that wasn't over here last time. You got like a countertop area, and then you got something to set to keep the fire going. That's what it looks like to me. Or it could just be this is the fire pit, and that is the space to cut on or something. So it's very unique how it's evolved over time. I even found a metal pointer stick, that you would use for a fire. How you could tell it's something like that is that you see all this rust. Fire rusts. Metal rusts in fire very easily. If you ever carved into metal or anything, that's something you gotta keep in mind. And of course you got this pile of trash that just shows who's been here. Technology as well, I know. So this is just a great place to be. If you're out here during the summer, oh great, you're in a wonderful place. I'm just going to go a little bit further. There's not really any other forest like this in my neighborhood. So it's a nice place to be. Oh yeah, I see patches of grass. Okay. Huh. Yeah, this is a very good place, very homey. It gets better once I come up here because you got the homey space. Hey, it's no slang upon attended, but it feels like a home. This is what an environment should feel like. I've been going here for years, and it's felt the same. It's felt different at times, but it's been the same. I made peace with the spirits in this forest mostly. I sent spirits into this forest. It's to never come out, and I end up unleashing them. That's a whole nother story another time I'll get into in the future, or if you're part of one of my free Discord servers. Hers, self-mastery, I go into these things. I don't go into the more advanced stuff right away, since it just started, so we're working on the emotions. But I would like to call this home at some point, if I can. I've encountered many spirits out here. Like, most of them are just elemental tree spirits that are part of the earth. So that's a good thing. Well, bark. I can use some of that. Nature will just give it to me at times, and it's like I'll only take what's no longer in use. If I feel like it doesn't want me to take that part, I'll just drop it. So now I just got some free wood here that I can use for maybe like a decoration or something. So this is how I get some of my sticks. I see a cable being built. I don't know what's going on with that. Probably just to get internet out here, but who knows. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit of my, you could say more so of a vlog for today. Hey, because I gotta get back, and I'm gonna have to get working on some slides. Guess I've been slacking. Let's see here. Anything else I want to add on to that? No. So just make sure to follow, share more. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe, and share. Then after that, continue on. And I will see what we'll do with these in the future. I'm danger to myself out here. Bye.